So what's the name of the pub that you did the install for?
It was the John O'Gaunt in Sutton. It was a lovely, quaint little village pub, a couple of little lounge bar areas, and then a restaurant at the back. It's quite traditional, isn't it? With the lovely open fireplaces and things like that in there.
So did you look at a 100-volt system for this install, and why did you go for the Audio Pro Business?
Yeah, we did initially look at using the 100-volt system. We went there, we did the site visit, and we quoted 4 days of labour on there just to cover all of the installation. Then it occurred to me, well, why don't we try and use the Audio Pro Business? Because I've re-quoted and it actually came in at a much better price point, and I think honestly it sounds a lot nicer as well, so it's a real win-win.
How is it using the SP1s with the sub?
We just had one subwoofer in a central location which was able to cover the restaurant area and the main bar area, and then we had the SP1s in those surrounding areas, which sounded really, really nice.
How did you find the SP3s?
The SP3s are fantastic in some of the rooms where we didn't need to add the subwoofer additionally. The SP3s provided enough low frequency on their own.
How did you find training the customer on using the volume control?
Yeah, that wasn't too bad at all. I mean, the thing is pretty self-explanatory. You have an overall volume control for the entire system, and then you just select the zone that you want to tweak the volume. You can add or subtract volume to each individual zone. It didn't take them long to understand at all.
So you just needed one transmitter for this application?
Yeah, one was enough. We just located it centrally behind the bar area, and it worked very well.
The customer was talking about some 2.4 gig systems. With this 1.9 gig system, how did you find it comparatively on the technology side?
They were saying with the system they had before was dropping out when there were more people on the Wi-Fi. So transferring it across to the Audio Pro Business solution, which is the 1.9, was obviously a real benefit. It means that we're not going to get any kind of dropout like that when people come into the pub and start using the Wi-Fi.
And would you use the Audio Pro Business again for this kind of install?
Definitely. I don't think I'll go anywhere else now. It's fantastic.